Rigid-Flex designs provide the versatility required to conform to the strict requirements of today's PCB applications. However, Rigid-Flex designs pose additional challenges and complexities that must be addressed in the design process, including the ability to create multiple stackups for each section of the design. OrCAD X Presto enables you to efficiently define multiple stackups for Rigid-Flex designs to support the varying layers and materials required for PCB fabrication. With the provided design open in OrCAD X Presto, select Tools, Cross-Section from the menu. View the stackup. This design only has a primary stackup defined with top, bottom, solder mask, paste mask, and silkscreen layers. Let's create a new stackup. Select View Multiple Stackups mode. Select the plus sign to add a new stackup to the configuration. Under Enter Stackup Name, add LCD Stiffener. Here you also have the ability to configure the layers in the stackup by adding all the defined layers to the stackup, excluding all defined layers to the stackup, or copying the stackup from an existing stackup. Leave the selection as Exclude and click OK. View the cross-section editor. LCD Stiffener has been added as a tab across the top and in the main section of the cross-section editor, allowing you to select the layers included in the stackup. An IPC 2581 file can be imported into the cross-section editor to quickly define the layers and stackups required for your PCB designs. This can be obtained from previous known good designs or manufacturers such as Sierra Circuits. Select Import IPC 2581. If you receive a warning that the operation cannot be undone, click Yes to continue. Browse to the provided IPC 2581 file. Here you have the ability to define how to manage existing information in the cross-section editor. You can merge with what is existing in the cross-section editor, replace what is existing in the cross-section editor, or overwrite any existing stackup in the cross-section editor. Since we have defined a stackup in the cross-section editor, select Merge and click Open. When the import is finished, a report is generated detailing the changes. Close the report and view the cross-section editor. Additional stackups and layers have been added according to the IPC 2581 file. Layers can also be added manually to the stackup. We're going to add the stiffener and epoxy layers. Right-click the Coverlay Inner 1 layer and select Add Layers. Select to add the layer above Mask Coverlay Inner 1. Expand Masks, Design Define Mask Layers, and Other, and select Stiffener Inner 1. Define the layer function, and select the material as polyimide, and click Add. Next, define the epoxy layer by selecting Epoxy Inner 1 from the mask layers. Dielectric adhesive as a layer function, and adhesive epoxy as a layer material. Select Add and Exit. The new layers have been added to the stackup above Coverlay Inner 1. Next, we'll define the layers included in each stackup. Click the checkbox to exclude the Stiffener Inner 1 and Epoxy Inner 1 layers from the primary, Flex 1 and Flex 1 stiffener stackups. Under the LCD Stiffener stackup, click the checkboxes to select Inner 1, the polyimide layer between Inner 1 and Inner 2, Inner 2, Adhesive Inner 2, and Coverlay Inner 2 layers. Select Apply. View the visual graphic. Here you can see each stackup and the layers included. Select a tab across the top, such as LCD Stiffener, to view the layers included in the specific stackup, and detailed information including material, thickness, function, and more. Create multiple stackups for Rigid-Flex PCB designs to accurately communicate the vertical design intent and materials required for PCB manufacturing with OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.